Hello friends, in this video we will talk about difference between law of segregation and law of independent assortment. So these are two laws that Mendel have given. So first, law of segregation. This law says that for every character, okay, there are two factors. For example, a character is here height. So there are two factors for height, capital T and small t. During gamete formation, so this is the process of gamete formation. These two factors that are present in an organism, this is a plant, for example. So for height, there are two factors in that plant. So when gametes are formed in this plant, these factors will separate and one gamete will receive capital T and another gamete will receive small t. So this is law of segregation. Segregation means to separate. So during gamete formation, the factors that were in pairs in a plant or in an organism, they are separated during gamete formation, and this separation is called law of segregation. Here another law of independent assortment. It is extension of law of segregation. This law says, okay, factors are separated during formation of gamete. What if we are taking more than one character? For example, here I have round seeds and yellow color. So I am taking two characters for a cross. So there are two factors for a round seed, that is capital R and small r. Also two factors for yellow color, capital Y, small y. So if we are taking two character, one is this and another is this, at the same time, then how gamete will segregate? Okay. Now how gamete will segregate? This capital R, independent assortment, means segregation you can also write it independent segregation, means they will segregate independently. Means this here, when gamete will form, this capital R can go with this capital Y. It will be like capital R and capital Y. And this capital R can also form gamete with this small y. So here it will become capital R, small y. Now this small r can form gamete with capital Y, small r, capital Y. And this small r can also form gamete with small y, small r and small y. Like this. So here segregation is independent. So this is the difference between law of segregation and law of independent assortment. So here in case of a single character. When we take a single character, then they will simply separate. But when we are taking more than one character, then they will segregate independent to the another character. The segregation of this character is independent to the segregation of this character. It will not interfere into its segregation, and it will not interfere into this segregation. So here segregation is independently. This is called independent assortment.